Okay, first we should start by defining succulents. Succulents refer to a wide family and genera of plants with the common characteristics of having stems, roots, and or leaves consisting of fleshy, water-storing tissue. You can see how nice and fat all these leaves are. Most of them are native to warm climates, so this is a way to hold on to moisture when you most need it if you're in the desert. All cactus are succulents, but not all succulents are cactus. The cactus differ in that they have no leaves, and the stem contains chlorophyll and function in place of the leaves. Some of the spines they consider to be modified leaves. You can tell the types of succulents we have here vary a lot. We have this nice big blue one, then they come in a range of colors and shapes. This one's fuzzy. The cactus, again, we got this red one. We have this one that looks like a prickly pear. This one that has very small thorns on it. This one has even bigger thorns. So all different shapes and sizes of plants that we have.